Hi everyone, I'm Allison Gage with Sophia. I'm very happy to be here with you today. We were here at one of the earliest of these events in 2011. At that point in time, we were a brand new company. We had just launched our prototype, and we made a bold prediction when we were here the first time around. And that was that social education was going to be bigger than online education the next 10 years. And this was well before the MOOCs. Last year, we came back and we introduced a unique learning model called Many Ways to Learn. We had just launched this in April, right before the conference here. And this concept is where each concept is taught by many different teachers, 3 to 5 different teachers using a different teaching style, different explanation, different context, which really helps the student really understand the concept. So for the first time, students can flip their own student-teacher ratio. Instead of 1 teacher for every 30 students, students were now able to take advantage of learning from many, many different teachers. So today, we're back to talk about what we've been doing over the last year, how we've applied these disruptive innovations to one of the most pressing issues of our times in education, and that's helping more students get to and through college. We do that with our solution set. That includes our free educational resources, which includes over 33,000 tutorials, close to 33,000 tutorials. They're focused on the gateway subjects of math, English, and science. We're focused on the college readiness competencies that are typically covered in middle school, high school, early college. We provide teachers with free resources to innovate inside and outside the classroom on Sophia. And then our latest innovation is our Sophia Pathways for College Credit, which applies the same Many Ways learning model that allows students to earn low-cost general education credits in a self-paced way, and really it gives them the flexibility to do it in their own time. So both of these solutions combined, we believe, will put the students more in control of their education process. And that's really our goal here. We want the students to take more ownership and control of their education with the help of students, with the help of teachers and parents. So this is the full suite of our offering, and I'm going to give you an example of each one of these things on our platform. So we've got the 33,000 tutorials. We've got a college readiness solution. We've got our college courses, and then our teacher resources to help teachers innovate. So here's an example of our Many Ways learning model. This is what we introduced first last year. This is an example of a tutorial that is in math. A tutorial is something that is can be covered in 5 to 7 minutes. All of our concepts are bite-sized. It's very modular, and it has quizzes at the concept level. So each of these tutorials will have a quiz right there that allows students to gauge their understanding of the concept before they move on to the next concept. It's a formative assessment. These tutorials are sequenced and aligned to national standards in math and science, and we're working on English right now. So we've got 33,000 of these on our platform for free for teachers and students and parents. And then down below, you'll see our Many Ways model. We always feature the top 3 tutorials in that concept. But in many instances, in math in particular, we have up to 15 different teachers teaching that exact same concept, but using a different explanation and teaching style. So imagine the kind of understanding that can happen with students at this level when you have this many opportunities to learn a concept. So here's an example of Mr. Chang teaching the exact same concept as Ms. Hess, but he uses a different explanation and a different style. So just this morning, we launched our free college prep resources. So in addition to all of the academic tutorials focused on math, English, and science, we've heard from our students and our teacher users that there's a lot more information that they'd like to have on Sophia around what it takes to be successful in college. These are life skills, success skills, study skills, time management, financial management, topics like that. So we've put together a short list on the far left, college success skills, tutorials that we have created that cover these key topic areas, and then point you to resources that give you additional information in each of those different areas. And then we launched our free ACT test prep this morning as well, where we started with math. So we have free math ACT test prep, but by September we'll have all of the ACT tests covered. And then refresher courses. So these are foundational concepts, foundational sequences that we've learned are critical to helping students succeed at the college level for these subjects. So for subjects like college algebra or human biology or stats, we've created almost a remedial type of short pathways, foundational concepts to help them bone up and get ready to do that, to be successful in that subject at the college level. So again, all for free. Now, one of the things that we are very focused on at Sophia, in addition to the student, is the teacher, because every study shows that the single biggest determinant of whether or not a student learns is the quality of the teaching. So what we want to do is give teachers, quality tools to innovate. So if they want to use technology and use Sophia to create their own content curriculum, they want to use ours, they want to curate outside content, have dialogue and social interaction with her students around this content, we've created something called a group. So here you can see this is a group content in the middle. There's the dialogue to the left. And then behind this are a rich set of data and analytics for the teachers to see. The teachers can actually see at the group level and at the individual level how students are doing with the content that she's created for this group. And it goes back in time, so you can actually see the students' progress over time. So that's just one example of the tools that we create. In addition to that, to the group, teachers can do everything on Sophia that we've done on Sophia. So they can create their own content, create their own quizzes, multimedia tutorials, etc. To help teachers innovate, we've created free professional development. So this is a series of programs, short programs that help teachers better leverage technology and to innovate using technology. And so we have 2 certificate programs, Flipped Class Certificate and the iPad Certificate. This is taught again in our many ways, where teachers are teaching other teachers, sharing their best practices, insights, and how to best incorporate these various concepts and tools with their students. There's also webinars that we run every month. So these professional development programs are certified and approved by the Capella University School of Education, which is our partner. So teachers can take their certificate to their administrator and earn CEU credits for it. And then this is our latest innovation, Sophia Pathways for College Credit. We have 9 general education courses that we've launched in a very short amount of time. We launched 2 courses in September, 3 in October, and 4 more on March 11th. And this Sophia Pathways for College Credit leverages the same many ways learning model at the concept level to allow students to earn low-cost general education credits in a self-paced way. It's a very, very powerful tool in the hands of students. Thank you.